When approaching women, even before you have said a word or done anything, she has already unconsciously put you into one of three categories. I like him. I don't like him. And undecided. Now that you are aware of the three different categories, let's go over each one's strengths and weaknesses for you. Category number 1, I like him. If you happen to look or remind her of someone that she liked, dress in a certain type of way that she finds attractive, or anything else that she happens to connect with. Congrats, you have a heads up on everyone, and when it comes to taking it to the next level, it's all on you. This is a great thing, and if you fall in the average guy category, expect this to happen with around 10% of the women that you meet who are available. Category number 2, I don't like him. You ever meet someone and for no apparent or real good reason you don't like them? Guess what, women are the same way, and for good measure most women throw insecure men and a whole slew of petty reasons in there as well. If you fall in this category, and at least 10% of the time you will if you're just an average guy, unless you have some unknown outside factor to enhance you, hot X still after you, famous, rich, etc., there is nothing you can say or do that is going to get this woman to change her mind and be attracted to you. Category number 3, undecided. The majority of the times, about 80%, is you are an average guy, you are going to fall in this category, which if you have done your studying and reading on seduction and how to attract women is a perfect place to be. Because as long as you are in the undecided category, you can work on creating the desire and attraction in a woman that you want. This is very good news for you, my friend. Of course, the time is now for you to get your life in order so that when you walk up to a woman that you find to be a potential partner and she is thinking to herself maybe or maybe not, over the course of a cup of coffee or tea you can turn that maybe into a yes and increase your success with women tremendously. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for our latest videos. Like to attract the perfect partner? Click the link in the description to learn more.